Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Airtable with Make.com. First, go to the Make.com website and make sure you log in into your account. Now click on Create a new scenario to start building your automation. Then click on the plus icon to add your first step and search for Airtable. Click on Airtable when it appears in the list. Now choose the action Get a Record if you want to pull data from your Airtable base. Next, click on Create a connection to link your Airtable account. You'll be asked to select a connection type. Choose from Airtable or Auth, Token, or API key depending on how you manage your Airtable access. Then click on Save. After that, log in using your Google account that is linked to Airtable. Select the Google account, then click on Continue. Now, click on Add All Resources to permit Make.com to access your Airtable data. Click on Grant Access to confirm the connection. Once done, choose the base your Airtable project you want to work with and click on Save. Now your Airtable account is successfully connected and ready to use in your Make.com scenario. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.